Deutsche Pfandbriefbank, PBB, is a bank that specializes in real estate and public sector financing. It offers services primarily aimed at institutional investors and companies, focusing on commercial property financing and the lending sector for public sector projects. Established as a key player in the financial industry, the bank serves clients in Europe and beyond. PBB's core business is in real estate finance, where they offer long-term loans for commercial property investments. Their terms of service often include both fixed and variable rate loan options, tailored for large-scale projects. One of the advantages of banking with Deutsche Pfandbriefbank is its strong focus on sustainable investments, such as green building projects, offering favorable financing conditions for eco-friendly initiatives. However, there are also some disadvantages to consider. PBB services are not typically available to individual consumers. Their clientele is more focused on institutional investors, developers, and government entities. The bank's terms of service can be quite complex, with specific regulations depending on the country or region in which the loan is being applied for. Another downside is the higher interest rates compared to other more general-purpose banks, although these rates are often offset by longer loan durations and favorable repayment conditions. The cost of using Deutsche Pfandbriefbank services can vary greatly depending on the size of the loan and the specifics of the project. However, in general, PBB's rates are competitive within the real estate and public sector lending market. The bank's strict requirements for collateral and documentation can make it harder for smaller enterprises or individuals to qualify for financing, which might be a barrier for some. Deutsche Pfandbriefbank offers a reliable set of services for large-scale investments, particularly in the commercial real estate sector. While it might not be the best fit for everyone, its focus on long-term, sustainable projects and financing makes it a standout option for qualified investors. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more insightful content, and leave your thoughts in the comments below.